Guys, what's happening here? What's happening right here?
Mark rebuilt the 5200 and gave it to me for porting its software.
He did what?
You heard me.
He gave you that?
That's big of you, man. Yeah.
It's not a fair trade.
Did you do that, Mark?
I love enough to do that for? Yeah, I wanted to.
Why?
Well, he's a good guy. He wouldn't want the 5200. Now he got a good one.
You're quite the man.
That's beautiful. I just want to know why it's not in wood yet. Yeah, why ain't it in wood yet?
Because it's pretty. I thought maybe you're going to get parts together. And I'd take them.
No, what are the thing?
And I thought parts, okay. That's great.
Let's see it run.
Come on. Jeez, Andre. You want a pair of white gloves?
He ported a saw for the other guy, had all kinds of trouble with it, had to buy a new top end for it, wouldn't take money for it. Mark gave him that saw.